Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So I have for you today another month of Boxycharm unboxing. So this is actually for the month of, what month are we in? I believe this will be for April. I am so mixed up with my days and my months because of the quarantine. I'm sure you guys are too. And every day I'm like, what day of the week is it? Like today I thought it was Thursday and it was Friday. So I'm all jumbled up. But yes, this is for April. So here is the box this month. The box isn't as big as the one I got last month, but there's still probably going to be the same amount of products in here. So if you guys want to see what is in my April Boxycharm, please keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys have not already, and tap the notification bell. It's a little bell next to the red subscribe button so you don't miss out on future uploads. And let's unveil this month's Boxycharm. A little late with this. My box, I feel like it came later. Today is April 17th, so the month is shockingly enough like almost halfway over, or pretty much halfway over. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a mystery makeup box of makeup and skincare. It is usually like $180 retail, and the value of it is around $180, sometimes more. It is $25 a month, so a lot of times you will get items in here that the item alone will be $25, so it's usually a really great value. I have been very pleased with mine. I always like using my Boxycharm items. Some of the items actually end up being some of my favorite products that I get to use. So I really like this service, and let's get on into it. If you guys have never seen my Boxycharm unboxings, what I do is I do not look inside. I don't look at sneak peeks. I just reach my hand in, and whatever I pull out is like a surprise for both of us. Okay, so first item, I'm going to reach in. First item. Ooh, okay. We have the iconic London highlighter illuminator. So this is the shade Original. So this is a beautiful highlighter. It is almost iconic from Instagram. You probably see a lot of people use this in the past. It is super blinding, and people take it and they like drip it on their face. I actually owned this. I got this in PR, and I actually gave it to a friend who is a makeup artist. So I'm happy that I got another one of these, because I was thinking about it a couple months ago and I was like, man, I really miss my iconic London illuminator, and I just had wished that I had had it. It's very metallic, so if you like that, then you'll enjoy this. Like, you can even see it's like a pinky metallic shade. So it's very blinding. If you do not like things that are subtle, then this probably won't be your kind of highlighter. But if you like that very metallic look, then you will really, I think, enjoy this. So this is a really cool addition to the box. I love Iconic London. I get PR from them, and I really like their products. That product, if I recall, is quite pricey too. Okay, so that was a good first product. Let's get another one going here. Ooh, okay, another product that I own too. This is Benefit's The Porefessional. This is a great primer. If you guys have not used this before, I really hope you get it in your box, because you really do see a difference in your pores with this product. Like, I instantly see the blurring effect that it gives to my skin, and I actually was able to get this from Benefit, which was really cool. So I will probably just include this in a giveaway, which is nice. I'm so excited that they put this in this month's box. It's full size, it's not a mini. That is so legit. Okay, next product. Brushes, maybe? Brushes, and these are so pretty and colorful. They come in this little pouchy guy. So this is from a brand called Lavish, which I have not heard of before, but I love the colors of these. This is so fun. So let's take these out. You can never have enough brushes. I feel like Boxycharm really builds up your brush collection, which is great. So we have an eye shader brush. We have a fine liner brush. We have a dual-sided brow groomer. This I probably wouldn't use for my brows. I like something very, very thin and precise. This is a little bit too fluffy for me, but I would probably use this for underneath my lash line. We have a tapered blending crease brush. This is more like on the thin side. I will definitely use this. Can never have enough crease brushes. And then we have the little pencil brush, which is nice for, again, like underneath smudging out any shadow. Love how colorful these are. So fun. They feel pretty soft. They're definitely synthetic from what I can tell. So that's awesome. Some eye brushes to add to the collection. Okay, let's go. I think we have 2 more products. So we have, what is this? Illuminati gel paint, electric blue and electric pink. So I'm trying to figure out what this is. It says Illuminati Cosmetics, San Jose, California. Gel paint. They're like these little pens. Let's just open one up and see. Wondering. Oh my gosh, it's a pencil liner, colored pencil liner. That is so fun. And then this one is like an electric blue. I have never seen these colors before. Oh, that is fun. I'm definitely gonna get use out of these. I want to do something really colorful with these liners. Okay, so that's cool. I've never heard of that brand before. They must be newer. So we have some really fun eyeliners with bright shades. Okay, and then my last item, it feels like a chocolate bar, but I know it's not. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's Zoeva. I have been wanting to try this brand so bad. This has been on my list of brands to try. Okay, I'm excited about this. So this is the Caramel Melange, I think it's Melange, eyeshadow palette. Let's open this guy up. Oh, so pretty. And look how many colors you get in there. Ooh, the little thing fell out. Okay, I am so excited about this palette. These are definitely my kind of shades. They have the warm shades, you have mattes, you have shimmer shades in here, you have like matte light shades. Oh yes, this one has got me real excited. And to finally be able to try Zoeva is really exciting. So I'm actually probably gonna end up doing an Instagram tutorial using all these, because I feel like I got a nice range of products that I can create a full look out of. Okay, I'm really excited about this box. So let's look at the pamphlet and see what kind of value it is. Okay, so it says Festival Vibes is this month's box, and I have the variety number 12 in case you guys are interested in mine. So Benefit Professional is retail $32. Then the Zoeva eyeshadow palette is $28. The Lavish Neon Eye Brush Set, these are $29.99. Then the Illuminati Cosmetics Gel Paint Duo, this is $42. Oh my goodness, $42 for that set? Okay, that's those things better be really, really good for that price. Man, oh man. Okay, so I'm gonna add that total up and see what it comes out to. All right guys, so I just added up the total and it comes out to $172.99 for $25. So I think that is an amazing value. I really liked the box this month. I thought it was a lot of great solid makeup products. Definitely a makeup focused box. There was no skincare in here except like the primer, but that I consider more makeup. So I was really excited about this one. I really like everything in here and I cannot wait to try it. So let me know if you guys got the same box as me, if you are happy with your Boxycharm or if you are over it, or if you have never signed up before. I do have a link with Boxycharm. It is an affiliate link, so if you guys use it, I get a small commission, and I always appreciate it so much when you guys do use my links, so thank you. And Boxycharm does send this to me every single month, so thank you to Boxycharm for letting me try out your box every month and be able to share it with you guys. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed my April Boxycharm unboxing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!